Hello, and welcome back to part 3 of the virtual learning series. Today, we will be discussing how to create interactive learning environments for our participants during team meetings and trainings. Take a moment to read the following quote. As facilitators, it is vital that we create an engaging atmosphere where participants can frequently interact with the content, the presentation, and each other. There are many strategies that we can leverage which will help us to create an interactive learning environment for the teams we support. First, we will discuss gamification. Gamifying learning can be a fun way to engage our participants and keep them interacting with the training or the meeting. Consider ways you might take the content and build it into a game. For example, you might consider creating a Jeopardy game show about Tier 1. One great resource you can utilize is Flippity.net. Creating an interactive virtual environment also means including hands-on activities such as contributing to a Google slideshow, developing an artifact, or collaborating virtually on an action plan. Provide frequent opportunities for participants to interact during the meeting or training. Checking for understanding is vital during virtual trainings. It can be challenging to gauge the participants' understanding of the concepts in the virtual setting. You might consider including a Zoom poll or poll everywhere. As we discussed in part 2, having multiple facilitators can help to solicit active participation. Continue to encourage your audience to voice their thoughts and engage in activities. Now we will look at 2 virtual tools that can help increase participant interaction. The first tool we will explore is called Pear Deck. Pear Deck is the fastest way to transform your Google Slides presentation into an interactive virtual conversation. Imagine if you could engage every participant in your training or meeting. What if you could instantly see who's confused and who's ready for more? That's the power of Pear Deck. And now Pear Deck has a Google Slides add-on. To access Pear Deck, go to the Chrome store and add the add-on. Then open Google Slides and it will appear at the top under Add-ons. There are numerous pre-made templates available in Pear Deck. This slide allows participants to type or draw. Do you want to change the question? Don't worry, every slide is fully customizable. This is an example of a click and drag slide. Participants can use their finger to drag the colored dots to the corresponding rating. Now we are going to look at the tool Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a platform where participants can add videos to a shared board about a topic. When you design the board, you can customize written and video directions. Participants add their videos and then can comment on the other videos on the board. Here are a few additional resources to consider. Feel free to explore any of the following after this training session. Thank you for joining me for part 3 of the virtual learning series. In part 4, we will review virtual collaboration and its application to our work.